Hi guys, my name's Warren and I'm the founder of the Youthtuber Academy, and this is a little bit of an insight to who I am and why I started the Youthtuber Academy. So my name's Warren, I'm an international speaker and confidence coach. I've spoken in over 8 countries, over 4 continents around the world, and I coach life skills into schools, helping young people to have better communication skills, more confidence, emotional intelligence. And the concept that I've created with the Youthtuber Academy is helping young people to have a voice, speak up, and to use a platform like YouTube to be a positive role model. It's the great recipe to create amazing, positive young people, and it's a workshop, a day workshop, where children from all abilities come down. They come in shy and they leave confident with creating confident videos which are going to inspire other young people.